Biology, part 155, agonistic behavior. Agonistic behavior includes threats, displays, and ritualized fighting. Very often, such behavior is associated with defense of a territory or conflict between rival males. Male haringales react to the presence of other male girls by adopting the upright threat posture. Once territories have been defined, this posture is usually sufficient to deter an intruder, which may adopt a different posture known as the submissive posture, before retreating, of course. However, if the territorial boundaries are not clear, or if the intruding male does not retreat, the males may attack one another. Usually the attack is short-lived and the weaker individual retreats without sustaining any serious injuries. The next one is courtship. Mating between individuals at the same species is usually essential for the production of healthy, fertile, and well-adapted offsprings. Courtship displays have important effect of making intra-specific mating more certain and preventing the wastage of the gametes. The courtship rituals of great crested grapes of the Pediceps crustaceans, and they provide an example which is typical. Each component of the display represents a fixed action pattern that acts as a trigger, sign, stimulus for the next stage. Well, we have already explained in the tutorial the displays of closely related species vary in significant ways, with the result that the breeding between the different species is minimized. Number 5, parental care. Adult organisms invest considerably time and effort in feeding and protecting their young ones. Inevitably, this reduces their own chances of survival. For example, by spending more time on open collecting food, adult birds are more likely to be captured by hawks or other predators. On the other hand, parental care greatly improves the survival chances of the offspring, so that it is often favored by natural selection. Social behavior. Social behavior appears to have developed from parental care, with related individuals remaining together first as a family group and later as a larger group. The evolutionary mechanism involved are outlined in our tutorial. Well, the social behavior of honeybees is described. The honeybee colony consists of a single queen and as many as 80,000 sterile female workers. Male bees are called drones, are sometimes present. They mate with the young queen but have no other useful function. The queen lays eggs up to 1,000 eggs per day into wax cells. Developing larvae are fed for about 3 days on a secretion known as royal jelly, produced by the pharyngeal glands of the nurse bees, and for the further 3 days on a mixture of pollen and honey called the bee bread. After this, the wax cell is capped and the larvae puppates inside the emerging an adult worker about 12 days later, emerging as an adult worker about 10 days later. Workers carry out a definite sequence of the activity determined over there, and it moves on. The older workers got the hive entrance and become the foragers, flying out to collect the nectar. Worker bees also perform the same. I'll explain more about the modification of the behavior in my next video. That's all for the day, and I'll provide more details on such biological expressions as we move ahead with them.